Okay, I'm recording.
All right. Oh, look. It's an official certificate.
Okay.
Okay. This is what it looks like. Okay. And it comes with plan.
Yep.
And okay. All right, here we go. Wow.
What is
Open and remove water. Number one. What else is in here? And another one. Open and remove water. Three. Okay, so to open and remove water. Come closer. So these are my peppers. They look pretty good. They will straighten up with the sun. They're not dead. Awesome. So these are my peppers. I'm just going to put this back in the box.
Where's the water?
In the plants. Okay, this one is, you ready? This one looks like a tomato. It is. Is this one tomato? Yes, this is a hybrid tomato. They're going to perk up with the sun. They need some water. This one is I do believe this is an eggplant. They will, yeah, all the water has actually gone into the plants. They're not dead. They're healthy and they're strong. I got one more. I've got another tomato. We got a lot of tomatoes. These are all, they're very healthy and strong plants. Okay. This was the unboxing of my plants, part 1. The rest will be down at the gardens. That will be part 2. Thank you for joining me and unboxing my plants. Bye.